What if I told you that artificial intelligence has already invented things that are saving lives, changing industries, and solving problems humans couldn't crack for decades? From medical breakthroughs to creative tools that seem like magic, AI isn't just assisting us anymore. It's innovating on its own. Today, we're counting down the top 10 inventions created by artificial intelligence that are reshaping our world right now. Let's dive in. Starting at number 10, AI-designed pharmaceuticals. In 2024, an AI system designed a new antibiotic that can fight drug-resistant bacteria, something scientists had been struggling with for years. The AI analyzed millions of molecular combinations in just days, a process that would take humans decades. These AI-created drugs are now in clinical trials, potentially saving millions of lives. The future of medicine? It's being written by algorithms. Number 9. Revolutionary computer chips. Google's AI designed its own computer chips that are faster and more efficient than anything human engineers created. Here's the mind-blowing part. The AI designed these chips in just 6 hours, compared to the months it usually takes. These chips are now powering the very AI systems that created them. Talk about a technological feedback loop. At number 8, climate change solutions. AI has invented new materials for carbon capture that are 3 times more efficient than previous technology. One AI system even designed a new type of solar panel that can generate power in low light conditions. These aren't just concepts, they're being manufactured and deployed right now. AI is literally inventing ways to save the planet. Number 7, groundbreaking mathematical discoveries. AI has solved mathematical problems that stumped humans for decades and even invented entirely new mathematical proofs. In 2021, an AI called DeepMind's Alpha Tensor discovered a faster way to multiply matrices, a fundamental operation used in everything from graphics to physics simulations. This discovery could speed up countless computer operations worldwide. Coming in at number 6, the protein folding revolution. AlphaFold, an AI system, predicted the 3D structures of over 200 million proteins, essentially mapping the building blocks of all life on Earth. This solved a 50-year-old scientific challenge and is accelerating research into diseases, vaccines, and understanding life itself. Scientists call this one of the most important contributions to biology in history. Number 5. Nuclear fusion breakthrough. AI invented a new way to control plasma in nuclear fusion reactors, bringing us closer to unlimited clean energy. The AI can predict and prevent plasma instabilities in real time, something human operators couldn't do fast enough. We're talking about technology that could power humanity for thousands of years without pollution. At number 4, custom antibodies. AI has designed entirely new antibodies from scratch that can target specific diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. These AI-created antibodies are showing promise in early trials and could lead to personalized treatments tailored to your unique biology. This is personalized medicine taken to a whole new level. Number 3, next-generation batteries. AI discovered new materials for batteries that charge faster, last longer, and are safer than lithium-ion technology. One AI system screened over 32 million potential materials in just weeks. These batteries could revolutionize everything from electric cars to smartphones, making them lighter, cheaper, and more powerful. The runner-up at number 2, self-improving algorithms. AI has now created other AI algorithms that are more efficient than those designed by humans. These algorithms are being used in everything from weather prediction to traffic optimization. We're watching AI improve itself, creating tools that push the boundaries of what's computationally possible. And the number 1 AI invention transforming our world, creative generation tools. AI hasn't just invented technology, it's invented entirely new forms of art, music, and storytelling. From DALL-E creating images from text to AI composing symphonies and writing novels, these tools are democratizing creativity. For the first time in history, anyone can bring their imagination to life, regardless of technical skill. AI has invented a new creative revolution. And there you have it. 10 incredible inventions created by artificial intelligence that are already changing our lives. From saving the planet to curing diseases, to unleashing human creativity, AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's an inventor. Which invention shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more fascinating tech content.